All right. So I'm in New York City's Central Park, and I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about my company, Lighthouse, and our IP theft analytics service offering. Lighthouse has the ability to forensically trace the vector and chronology of misappropriated files when given access to the devices where the activity occurred. Our forensic examiners will first forensically image servers, workstations, and custodian devices to analyze the forensic artifacts. We will document our findings and observations in an expert report based on the objective fact pattern that is suggested by the device artifacts. We will also read out the results to the client for further direction and report enhancements. The end goal will be to isolate source code files for comparison. So this is unique, this is our differentiator. Lighthouse uses a software solution to compare a series of source code files. The first set of source code files will be the original copy, whereas the second set of source code files represents the potentially misappropriated copy. Our CodeMatch software tool compares the similarity of the programming logic and assigns the permutations a similarity score. A 100% score indicates an exact copy for any two given files, whereas a lower score will represent a spectrum of similarity, taking into account small tweaks that might be made around minor variable naming conventions, etc. The tool's proprietary algorithms take the programming syntax and other programming language routines into account to generate the similarity scores. This objective approach can be used to help determine the likelihood for the theft of intellectual property. Now, you may not have a full inventory of devices that will be ultimately imaged and examined on your project, so we might not be able to provide a total cost estimate at the outset. What we will do is charge hourly for the time and materials based on a fair fee schedule, and can provide estimates as more information becomes available. So if you have a case and want to avail yourself of our IP theft analytics service offering, give me a shout. And if you're not following me already on LinkedIn, please do so, and I appreciate the support. I'll see you next time on my forensic take of current events. Thanks.